640 program. Today we have marked our presence in almost every corner of the region with a network of 31 learner support center, which includes 4 jail centers exclusively for certificate in the concurrent convocation function at IGNOU headquarters and 39 regional centers across the country. एक कवि हैं, उनकी ये लाइनें हैं कि जीवन की काली रातें, ये मसले में मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आपको शेयर करें कि जीवन की काली रातें हो, आशा सरिता सूख चली हो, सरस सरोवर मानस का जब मृग तृष्णा की मरुस्थली हो, जग में प्रलय तिमिर में मेरे अंतर दीप जला करते हैं, अभिशापों में वरदानों के स्वर्णिम फूल खिला करते हैं. Thank you so much.
Knowledge, your understanding, your attitude, your perceptions can always be what you call unbelievable. So it's very important to understand what is the importance of education. Knowledge for what? Knowledge for enlightenment. Knowledge for understanding the world. If you remember our late President Kalam home, if there is harmony at home, there is peace in the nation. If there is peace in the nation, there is order in the world. And believe me, that's what India is doing today. Today, India's soft power dominates the politics and the economics of the world. If you find today the US is the biggest, what you call the economic power, is still
MPA. Puneet Kaur for the program MPA.